Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Scott and we are here at Hickory Run State Park in Pennsylvania. The plan was to come up here today, do a little bit of photography, see what's happening up here. Maybe there's a little bit of fall color left. Maybe there isn't, we'll find out. And yeah, and just spend a nice relaxing day taking some photos. So here's a pretty easy shot, kind of a standard shot here at Shades of Death Trail. Just some leaves around a little bit of a waterfall along the trail. So fall color is pretty much done here, but I'm okay with that because I actually like seeing the structure of the trees in the background. So when the leaves are down, that actually brings that out. The weather's actually really nice today. It's kind of cool, not too sunny, not too windy, which is nice. So this shot here is just a real simple shot. We have some rocks, we have some water coming down around the rocks. We have a lot of leaves that are stuck on the rocks. Two tips for a shot like this. You're gonna want to use neutral density filter to slow your shutter speed down so you can get that nice flowing kind of water effect. And then the other thing you're gonna want to use is a polarizer. Polarizer is gonna let you remove reflections from the shot. So the rocks are gonna not look slick and reflective. They're gonna be nice and dark and black. All the reflections from water on the leaves and any other reflections are all going to be gone. So back on the trail, actually I had to go back to the car and charge camera batteries because I don't know, I just thought I was prepared, but apparently I wasn't. You know, this was kind of like a sporadic last minute kind of shoot. Anyway, another waterfall here on the trail. Nothing spectacular, but it is kind of cool with these rocks around it and some of the leaves that's perched on the rocks. So we're gonna do a shot here and see what it comes out like. Anyway, so here's another shot. It's kind of off the main path. We're at the camping area now, and I'm just kind of wandering around and trying to find a competition. And quite honestly, I'm really struggling here today. Maybe it's just one of these things that happens. Behind me is this path. Let me show you. So this path here actually is kind of nice, tight. So you have some trees on the left, a little bit of trees on the right, and you have a little bit of color in the background there. So that's kind of what I'm going for. It's muted, it's soft. There's a little pop of green on the right side. But you know what? Let's take a shot and see what happens. So I'm kind of walking around here at this, I guess you could say abandoned campground here at the park. I mean, there's nobody camping anymore because the season's pretty much done. I think actually just part of it's closed. But you know, the deal is I'm struggling today. I'm having a hard time actually finding something to shoot. You know, all the fall color is gone and it's just kind of a blank, barren environment. And you know what? And that's okay. It's okay to struggle as a photographer. It's okay to come out to a location and maybe not get a keeper shot or maybe not get a portfolio shot. That's okay. That's all part of the process. And I think it's important for people to remember that, and especially other photographers. Like, for me, it's about like the spirit of adventure, the spirit of coming out here, you know, actually, you know, getting away from the busyness of my life, coming out to the woods, reflecting, relaxing, you know, and shooting some photos. And whether or not those photos are good, doesn't make a difference to me. It really doesn't. And I think that's the important thing to remember for a lot of people, and especially myself. So that's the last shot for today. The light's pretty much faded at this point. Listen, do me a favor. If you like the video, you like what I'm doing here, subscribe, like, give me a follow, leave some comments below. Let me know what you think of this area. and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.